here's that unboxing of the Sword and Shield Battle Styles Elite Trainer box. I got the red version. I don't know what to expect. In the video game, you choose between darkness and water, so I don't know. This is red, so I'm guessing it's fighting, a fighting style, as opposed, and the other is blue, I assume. Man, again, look how roughed up this box is. Are you seeing this? It's kind of dented. I don't get it. This was my Shining Fates was in a bubble mailer, so of course there was nothing to protect the outer box. But this was in a box, and yet still, maybe it was too small of a box and they really crammed it in there. So that probably wasn't good. But as long as everything's in there, well, it's interesting, sort of a dual shade of the dice aren't a solid color. It's kind of neat. As long as everything's in there. What do we got in this one? Choose your battle style wisely. Be a titan full of power, or strike with impossible speed. It all depends on your martial mastery. Channel the power of Pokemon V like Mimikyu V, Tyranitar V, Empoleon V, and more. You'll also find a handful of impressive Pokemon V Max, including Gigantamax, Urshifu, in both single strike and rapid strike styles. Unleash epic smash-ups with the Sword and Shield Battle Styles expansion. Only 8 booster packs. 65 sleeves. 45 energy cards. Player's guide, rulebook, dice, die, markers, box code. Wow, so only 8 boosters, not 10. And no promo card. It's kind of rough. But it is what it is. Man, that's kind of nice, though. That's cool. I could see putting my fighting deck in these sleeves. That's really nice. Let's see what we got here. Welcome to the Pokemon trading card game Sword and Shield Battle Styles Elite Trainer Box. This Elite Trainer Box contains a great combination of boosters, energy cards, dice, card sleeves, and extras. Congrats on stepping up your game to the elite level. The Pokemon trading card game Sword and Shield Battle Styles expansion adds more than 180 cards to the Pokemon trading card game, and it expands the options for all Pokemon. Really? How's that, I wonder? With an emphasis on Pokemon V, Pokemon V Max, and 60 new battle style cards. What? Which do you prefer, single strike or rapid strike? Train hard, choose your Pokemon companions, and take the journey of an elite trainer. Another Victini. Oh, Flapple V Max. That's great. Ooh, Victini VMAX. Tapu Koko. Oh, V and VMAX. Oh, wow. That could be cool. Spiral Thunder. This attack does 40 more damage for each energy attached to all of your opponent's Pokemon. Mimikyu V. Single Strike Urshifu V. Man, I can't wait to see what that's about. Single Strike Urshifu V Max. Rapid Strike Urshifu V. Rapid Strike Urshifu V Max. Wow. That is cool. Coronite V Max. That's cool. Stoutland V. Wild Tackle. This Pokemon also does 30 damage to itself for 200. Eternal Batness of the Darkness kind. Eternatus VMAX. Might find it a little difficult to gain ground with the advent of powerful new fighting types, because it has a weakness to them. Most darkness do, I think. However, a new Crobat is here to help. Golbat and Crobat both have card drawing abilities, and they are darkness types. This means they can hang out on the bench, powering up Eternatus VMAX's Dread End attack after providing powerful support. Alright. I suppose. Oh, cool. Colonel Mustard. Why did I say Colonel Mustard? I think that's Clue, the board game. Mustard. Rapid and single strike. Mustered up the courage, boo, to try this risky new strategy. You can play this card only when it is the last card in your hand. Search your deck for a single strike Pokemon and put it onto your bench. Then shuffle your deck. If you searched your deck in this way, draw 5 cards. Single and rapid strike. What does it all mean? I don't know. Let's see what we get here. Tyranitar, Empoleon, Urshifu. Neat. Hey, 2 of each. That's nice. Don't know if that's coincidence or that was part of the plan. Oh, cool. Rapid strike. Sure enough. So it's like just a designation, I guess. Maybe they'll do a lot of more damage for less cost. Is that the goal here? I don't know. We'll just have to see who is single strike and who is rapid strike. So there's an interesting comparison. Yeah, that makes... I don't know if that makes sense. Focus Fist. Wow. 50. No, I don't care for coin flips, but Sizzlipede. Reverse Hollow Bisharp. That's nice. Marowak. Cheryl. Heal all damage from each of your evolution Pokemon if you do discard all energy. Alright. Tower of Darkness, single strike, stadium. Once during each player's turn, that player may draw 2 cards. In order to use this effect, that player must discard a single strike card from their hand. Huh. Interesting. Galarian Mr. Mime. Yamper. Ball Search. Pokeball card. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto your bench, during your turn you may put a Pokeball card, a Great Ball card, or one of each from your discard pile into your hand. That's nice. That's cute. Ooh, Artillery. Reverse Hollow Rare. Rapid Strike. Rapid Strike Search. Once during your turn, you may search your deck for a Rapid Strike card. Reveal it, put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Can't use more than one Rapid Strike ability each turn. There's Mustard. Single strike. Ooh, Houndour. Single strike. Home Edge. Gligar. Electabuzz. Whoa. Aegislash. Reverse Hollow Rare. Ah yes, Stance Change. Once during your turn, you may switch this Pokemon with an Aegislash in your hand. Any attached cards, damage counters, special conditions, turns in play, and any other effects remain on the new Pokemon. That's interesting. Ooh, Tyranitar. V, single strike. Cool. Cragalanche for 60 base. Discard the top 2 cards of your opponent's deck. Single strike Crush for 240 base damage. Discard the top 4 cards of your deck. Wow. That is pretty cool. Ooh, a single strike energy card. Huh. Can only be attached to a single strike Pokemon. If this card is attached to anything other than a single strike Pokemon, discard it. As long as this card is attached to a Pokemon, it provides fighting and darkness energy, but provides only 1 energy at a time. And the attacks of the Pokemon this card is attached to do 20 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. Whoa. That's pretty awesome. Camping gear. Search your deck for a card and put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Your turn ends. Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, Corphish, Reverse Hollow. Ooh, a Hollow Sandaconda. Ooh, wow. Rapid Strike Energy. This card can only be attached to a Rapid Strike Pokemon. If it's attached to anything else, discard it. As long as this card is attached to a Pokemon, it provides 2 in any combination of water energy and fighting energy. That is so cool. Oh man, experience share. Haven't seen that in a while. Carcoal. Whoops. I'm not going to go the way I planned. Slanded. Roly-Coly. Reverse Hollow Marowak. Rapid Strike Mustard. Put a Rapid Strike Pokemon from your discard pile onto your bench. Draw 5 cards. Rapid Strike. Interesting. Timber. Maywile. Single strike. That's cool. Jellicent. Karina's Focus. Rapid Strike. Draw cards until you have 6 cards in your hand. That's cool. Whoa, Darkness Morpeko. I love it. Huh. Hangry Tackle. If you have no cards in your hand, this attack does 90 more damage. 20 plus 90. Hangry. That's great. Darkness Morpeko. Hey, Tepig, haven't seen you in a while. Single strike. Cheerum. First hollow rare. Spring Bloom. As often as you like during your turn, you may attach a grass energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon that doesn't have a rule box. Interesting. Oh, Pokemon V, Pokemon GX, etc. have rule boxes. That's interesting. Honchkrow, I haven't seen that in a while. Insomnia, can't be asleep. Whoa, single strike, Scroll of Scorn. Interesting. Pokemon Tool. Bellsprout. There's Murkrow. Where's the Tower of Waters? The retreat cost of each Rapid Strike Pokemon in play is 2 energy less. Scroll of Swirls. Interesting. Matchless Maelstrom. This attack does 30 damage to each of your opponent's Pokemon. That's pretty cool. Well, that is that. I don't know how long it's going to be before the next set comes out. Chilling Rain, I think. Reighn. But until then, we'll check you next time. Toodaloo.